To build a business, you have to show up every day for years. Good morning, everybody. Day 33. I ended up sleeping in a little bit. Anyway, it's okay. Today, just got meetings. And in the evening, I have one inquiry for one Facebook Marketplace listing. So I'll sell that. It's a small $15 listing. And I'm trying to set up my Amazon store, Etsy store, eBay store, everything, and list all the products. So I'll have probably at least 10 products on all those stores. So we're gonna get that all set up. Yep. So I'll keep you guys posted. Finished prayer. I need to go for my cold shower. I'm gonna go for the kickboxing lesson in the evening today because I missed this morning. But alright. Cold shower, 33 days in. Then after, cold shower dots. Alright, peace. Cold shower, 33 done. 33 days in a row. Oh man. I'm doing this 33 videos, 33 cold showers, everything. Ah, man. Being at state 33, I realized not many people are capable of being consistent and just showing up every single day. To build a business, you have to show up every day for years. And then to build a successful business, you just need to show up and do the work. But then once you get to the top, then you need to show up and do your best every single day. So it's not so difficult to get ahead of most of the people, because most of the people of the common population, they can't really show up every single day and do something every single day without fail for years. And if you do that, I guarantee you the business will see success, or whatever you show up to will, you will be successful in whatever endeavor you're taking on. You just gotta show up. Anyway, it's just demoralizing in the business. I've been doing this business for almost 3 years now. I've been working every day, 3 years, ups, downs, still showing up, still working. And then at a certain point, you just get demoralized because you're showing up and nothing's working out. You're showing up again, nothing's working out. You're showing up again, nothing's working out. And so if you just do that over and over and over, eventually something will work out and God will give you an opportunity, and you can seize that opportunity, and then you can become successful. But you have to show up. You have to be available every single day for that opportunity to come to you. And I'll admit, it's incredibly draining. Some people go many years, like 5, 6, 7 years without seeing that success. Because it's not easy. It's not. There's no quick path. The quick path to success often leads to a quick path to downfall. You get success quickly, you often can lose it all quickly as well. It's the people that get success over long periods of time, that take the time to understand what they're doing, that take the time to go through all the failures, that take the time to lay the whole foundation of their business. It's those guys that when they reach success, they stay. I think it took Elon Musk almost a decade become successful. So there's no quick path. I mean, it's just a lot of pain and suffering, and you have to learn to enjoy the suffering. Otherwise, you'll never make it. The machine shop next to me, there was a machine shop literally right 2 doors down from me. He closed down. I'm still going, but he closed down. He's like, I kind of knew he would. It's been a tough business, or tough couple of years for machine shops. I mean, every single year it's like slow. There's only a couple period of months where I actually get some work. So that's why I'm really trying to set up my shop, set up my product, just push my social media out there. But now I'm gotta be very frugal in how I spend my money. All right. Anyways, that's it for Cold Shower Thoughts. I have a couple meetings soon. I'm gonna eat some breakfast and then I'll head to the shop. Well, actually, first I gotta go to the office. I'll work and then I'll see you guys in the shop after. So we're done with work. We're gonna head to the shop really quick. I have one person coming to just pick up a $15 hose that I'm selling on Marketplace. And I'll finish that sale and then we'll do some work. That's the life. I really got to do some work for my job too. I got one presentation tomorrow, so I'll do that too. But yep, I'll keep you guys posted. What's up, everybody? I ended up going to my evening kickboxing class. Apparently Thursdays are sparring, so it's not really that good for beginners. I'm still a little bit of a beginner. Need to get a lot better learning, but it was still cool. It's nowhere near the same workout as the mornings. The morning it's only like 2 or 3 people, and it's just straight conditioning because nobody wakes up at like 6, or and it wakes up at 5:30 to get there by 6. Not many people can. So I really admire Coach for waking up that early and putting on that class, because that works really well for me. Evening classes is absolutely horrible with my schedule because I have my business to run, and then I also have a job. So I really admire him, but today I missed the morning, so I said I'll go in the evening and get my training done. Anyways, we're heading back to the studio. Gonna take a hot shower because we took a cold shower in the morning. So let's take a hot shower, relax, and just do some work, business work. All right, so eating dinner, making some pasta. I think I just need to email prospects, cold email a bunch of people, continue posting on social media. And we gotta figure out how to get people's attention and how to get them interested in ordering. So yeah, let's get back on our feet. And I wish we had some orders to at least help with the income aspect of it, because it's easy to do marketing when you have some income stream. You're not worrying about the expenses and getting more new customers. But it is what it is. Let's just do our best. Alright. Anyways, had a good day today in general. I'm just frustrated, but we're getting through it, powering through it. We'll get there. Alright, peace. See you guys tomorrow. We're going to conclude day 33, road to 600K. We are now 22 days into January. 23 days into January. So, it's already 1 month. Almost 1 month. And we have not been doing so hot. Well, it is what it is. We're going to keep trying. We're going to keep going. So, see you guys tomorrow.